Let's learn colors. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Green color, green color. Pink color, pink color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Purple color, purple color. Orange color, orange color. Black color, black color. White color, white color. Now let's identify the colors. Are you ready? What is the color of the frog? Good, it is green color. Green color. What is the color of this hat? Very good. It is black color. Black color. What is the color of this strawberry? Yes, you got it. It is red color. Red color. What is the color of this swan? You're great. It is white color. White color. What is the color of this bow? It is purple color. Purple color. What is the color of these carrots? Hey, wow! It's orange color. Orange color. What is the color of this shirt? Good. Shirt is blue in color. Blue color. What is the color of this dress? Good. It is pink color. Pink color. What is the color of the sun? Yellow color. Yellow color. What is the color of this teddy? Good. It is brown color. Brown color. Hey, wow! You have identified all the colors. Very good, children. You have done a good job. Yay! Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe Kids Tabs.